So moist.
Hey Jolly, you big on the guys or?
Not really.
I don't believe that. I've seen you in your effing too.
I didn't know. I didn't know you
I'm just helping a customer.
This is a saleswoman of I didn't know she sells ethanol.
So what are you expecting today?
I don't know, like 190,
How much?
200.
190, 200.
190, 200, hopefully.
So high comp K series.
Yeah, high comp K series with a big, very big cam.
What cam?
It's a Dracotal Elite 3.5.
What's the most it's made?
It made 204 at Ross's Dino.
RBTS.
Yeah, RBTS in winter, so it's very cold. So
Yeah.
now it's a bit warmer, so like a 190,
Okay.
195.
Well,
hopefully.
Boris and I have got a little bet that we got $100 bet.
$100.
Yeah, tell
I
him something.
What did Boris say?
I say more than 180. He says less than 180.
Yeah. I don't know. I think like a 190. 190 I'll be happy.
All right.
190 I'll be happy.
Does he have money?
He's got, he's got, he's loaded though.
Okay, cool. I don't have money. My wife's got the money.
I still use her Starbucks loyalty points, so don't worry.